To install new fonts on your Samsung Galaxy, go to your setting and from here go to display, then scroll down. You can see the font size and style. Press on font size and style, then font style, then defaultly you can see the 4 option. So if you want to download more, press on download. Now here are some apps. It's 3.4 MB, it's complete. If you select new, you're able to see more option. Once done, now go back, or you can apply from here or go back, then you're able to see cool just available here. You're able to customize your size, bold font or normal. And if you go back, then you can see all of your fonts will be changed. Even if you go to your keyboard, then keyboard fonts also will be changed. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.